Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk to you about Makeda and the step-by-step process on how we use this new epilation product. The day before you have your appointment for whatever process that you're going to do, whether it be waxing or sugaring, we're going to exfoliate our skin really well. So the day of your appointment, let's say you're getting waxing done, you're going to take your Makeda product with you. Once you've had your waxing done, you're going to apply Makeda on the area that you've had waxed. Now, this is going to help your skin to be less irritated and maybe a little bit less painful. You're going to do this day and night for 10 days. Then every day after that, you're going to do it preferably in the evening because you're going to get better results. You're going to continue your normal beauty routine. You're going to exfoliate on a regular basis at least once a week. You're going to continue applying your Makeda every night until your next appointment. And then you're going to complete the procedure as I described previously. Even after the first cycle, you're going to notice that your hair is thinner, lighter, and less painful to remove when you go to get your waxing done. In general, people who use Makeda for 4 to 6 months, they've noticed a reduction in their hair of more than 85%. Results vary from person to person, so use a product until you achieve your desired result. Makeda is safe to use in any area of your body, so especially when we have sensitive areas like our face or our bikini line. It is dermatologically tested and safe to use. Why? Because it's made by natural organic products. There's no hormones, it's hypoallergenic, and it's derived from natural ingredients. The amount of Makeda you're going to use will depend on the areas that you're going to eliminate your hair in. If you have any other questions that we haven't covered, you can go to the Makeda website for more information. In order to get the best results, you want to make sure that you follow the procedure exactly as I've just described. And secondly, you want to make sure that your waxing procedure is done effectively, ensuring that the hair is removed from the root of the skin.